Changing your driving practices for diesel engine cars. The diesel engine cars need regular maintenance to keep sailing. There is a difference in mechanics and engine components that exist among different manufacturers. Follow the set of general tips for keeping your car immaculate and registering more miles in the odometer. These practices hold good for most diesel cars out the road. Proper ignition. Diesel engines don't have spark plugs and ignition relies totally on the battery power. So, it becomes more important to use minimal of the car's electrical equipment while turning on the car. This puts less pressure on the battery as well as on the engine. Preheat the engine. Your diesel engine needs to build some initial heat to work optimally. Most cars are equipped with a preheating mechanism and you need to wait for the preheat indicator to go off before turning on the ignition. During winters, it helps to heat the engine for 5 minutes before gaining momentum. Engage the clutch. This reduces the load on the starter motor, which works to kick starting the heavy diesel engine to life. It becomes easy to start the engine with very little effort. Helping the motor by engaging the clutch will ensure long-term longevity and a lower maintenance bill. Optimal rev range. Higher revs above the 4,000–5,000 mark generate more sound and kill fuel economy. Also, a high rev doesn't generate equivalent power to low rev driving. Keep the revs low around 2,000 to 3,000 revolutions per minute mark and you can be sure of keeping your engine happy. Thank you.